Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking. Today I will be doing a meal prep video. I have some wild-caught salmon, some boneless, skinless chicken breast which is thin cut. These are the meal prep containers that I have. I have a grill because I will be grilling the salmon and the chicken breast on two separate grills. I will be using organic ingredients, the vegetables and the food. Everything is organic. So this is the other grill that I will be using. If you guys do not have two separate grills, after you cook the fish, clean that grill before grilling your chicken breast, because you do not want to cook them both on the same grill with the same ingredients. The fish touching the chicken. Okay guys, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and also don't forget to check out my food blog. I have all of my recipes there at tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my zucchini here and I'm going to begin to cut my zucchini. Okay, next up, let's prepare the broccoli. Okay, let's start with the grilled chicken breast. So I've already seasoned my chicken breast. Okay, let's check on our chicken breast. It looks so delicious. It's nicely seasoned. Doesn't take much time at all to grill chicken breast. So now I am going to turn my grill on very low because I do not want it to overcook while I begin to prepare the salmon. Stay tuned. Okay, now on to the zucchini. So I have some onions, red peppers, green peppers, and that's extra virgin olive oil in the pan. And my zucchini that I've cut up. Okay, so I will be adding some seasoned salt to my zucchini to give it some flavor. Heating my oven to 450 degrees because I will be roasting the red potatoes. Okay, so I've seasoned my zucchini. Next up, let's prepare the salmon. So I am using a cast iron grill to prepare the salmon. So here's the red potatoes, and I am about to roast them in the oven. Also, the salmon is almost done. And this is how the zucchini is looking. Okay, so this is the broccoli. So I am about to cook this next. So the roasted potatoes are done. And also I have the meal prep containers ready to go. Okay, so I have the 3 compartments for my food prep containers. So chicken breast, fish, roasted potatoes, I'm gonna switch it up. That'll be for the chicken. Okay. Zucchini. So this is what I have thus far. So that's salmon, broccoli, and zucchini. So I have chicken breast and roasted red potatoes for this one. Okay, so I have some baby spinach. This is also organic. So you can have a nice spinach salad on the side with this. So what I will do with my salad is just add some dressing to my spinach. And also, great idea if you have like some dried cranberries, you can add that if you want. Or top it with some type of shredded cheese, you're also welcome to do that. And also you have the little to-go small containers. So I have these cute little small containers that comes with the lid. So you can just pack your salad dressing. And you're all set to take this to work with you or eat throughout the day. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because I will be loading a breakfast meal prep on my next video. Also, I will be loading a Valentine's Day dessert video, which will be loaded within another day. So subscribe, like, share, and the description below will have the details of everything that I cooked. Go to tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com for more recipes. Thank you for watching, and you all have a blessed day.